favorite amazing animal, Claudia?
My favorite amazing animal is the leopard. The leopard lives in Asia. It has got a black and yellow body, a long tail and small ears. It eats meat. The leopard can camouflage and can run at 120 kilometers per hour. And you, what's your favorite amazing animal?
My favorite amazing animal is the polar bear. The polar bear lives in the North Pole. It has got a big body and small eyes. It has got a white body. The polar bear eats meat and fish, and it lives long winter.
John, what is your favorite amazing animal?
My favorite amazing animal is the snake. The snake lives in Africa, Europe, and America. The body is the color brown, yellow, red, and black. It has got a very long red tongue and 2 meters. And you?
My favorite amazing animal is a koala. Koala lives in Australia. It eats leaves and fruits. It has got big eyes, big ears, big mouth, and big nose, and big legs. And orange species.
What's your favorite amazing animal? In Saudi Arabia, it's the fox. It lives in forest. It has got a long tail. It eats meat. The fox is very clever. You? My favorite amazing animal is the leopard. The leopard lives in the forest and the savanna. It has got a black and a yellow body, and it eats meat. Its body is long and agile because it runs very fast. What's your favorite amazing animal, Juan?
My favorite amazing animal is a squirrel. It lives in a forest. It is brown. It has got a long tail. It eats pineapples and walnuts. It climbs the trees very fast. And you are now?
My favorite amazing animal is the lion. The lion lives in Africa. It has got small eyes, big mouth, long legs, and big ears. It eats meat. The lion runs 20 meters in 1 second.
Let's go to swim.
Marta, what is your favorite amazing animal?
My favorite amazing animal is the polar bear. It lives in the South Pole. Its body is white. It has got a very big ear, small eyes, and big nose. It has got big paws. Eats big fish. The polar bear lives at the winter. And you, Avril?
My favorite amazing animal is the wolf. The wolf lives in Europe. It has got little eyes. Its body is brown, gray, and black. It's an endangered species. It's endangered species.
What's your favorite amazing animal?
Tiger. The tiger lives in the savannah. It has got a big body. Its color black and orange and white. It's very strong, and it eats meat and runs very fast. What's your animal favorite?
It's the koala. The koala The koala lives in Australia. It has got big ears, big nose, and small eyes. It eats eucalyptus and fruit. It climbs trees. Let's go to
One is you amazing animal. My amazing animal is the tiger. It lives in the savannah. It has got small eyes, long whiskers, big teeth, and long tail. It eats meat. It can be white or orange with black lines. It swims very well. And you, what is your favorite amazing animal? Amazing animal is the frog. Lives in South America. Its body is green, yellow, it's orange. It eats insects. It climbs. It tall trees. Okay. Oh, look! Want to
Sleep.
Want to sleep with.
What's your favorite animal? Amazing animal?
My favorite amazing animal is the tiger. It lives in Africa. It has got long whiskers and long tail. It has got orange and black body. Its tummy is white. It eats meat. The tiger runs very fast. And you, what is your favorite amazing animal?
My favorite amazing animal is the bat. The bat, it lives in South America. It has got wings and short teeth. It eats the drinks blood animals. It drinks 26 liters of blood in a year.
You swim?
Look.
Yes. Well,
Swim.
my amazing animal is the llama. The llama lives in South America. It has got a big nose, big ears, and long legs. Its body is white and brown. It eats grass. The llama is very tall. It speeds, wins, it's angry. And you, what's your amazing animal?
My favorite animal is a piggy monkey. Piggy monkey lives in a mountain. Has got big ears and swims fast. It eats insects, fruit, and nuts. The piggy monkey is very fast.
What's your favorite amazing animal?
My favorite amazing animal is the koala. Koala lives in Australia. It has got big ears, big nose, and big body and small nose. Its body is grey. The koala climbs very fast. And you, what is your favorite amazing animal?
My favorite amazing animal is the tiger. Tiger lives in the savannah. It has got 4 legs, a long tail, and a small ear. Its body is orange and black. It eats meat. The tiger runs very fast and can swim brilliantly. Amazing animal, the polar bear. Mine too. The polar bear lives in the North Pole. It has got small ears. It is very big. It has got 4 legs. Its body is white. It eats fish. It likes sleeping. The polar bear lives in the North Pole. It has got small ears. Its body white. It eats fish. It likes sleeping. Look, the polar